Hello everyone, this is Amazaman and you are watching Amazaman Official. In today's video, we will discuss a simple topic that how to do spacing, that is vertical or horizontal spacing in Latex. So first of all, for the horizontal spacing, let's suppose the first command that is for the horizontal spacing is shift and the equivalent symbol, that is the equivalent symbol just above the tab button in your keyboard. Okay, so here is the result. So shift and this equivalent symbol are used for the horizontal spacing in the lines, in paragraphs or something else. So for fixed spacing, the command is /h space, and here you can put how much space you want. Let's suppose I put here 5 inches, so the space, horizontal space in this paragraph will be 5 inches according to my own wish. This space between the investigate and the electric properties is the 5 inch space, that is spec space. Now the third command, that if you want this dielectric properties at the end of the line, so you can use here, let's suppose I use a command that is /h_fill. Whatever you want to be at the end of the line, so you can use /h_fill command, and here is the result. The dielectric is at the end of the line. If I put the command at the start, let's suppose I want this command here. I want to put this command before the parites, and you will see here the result. Here is the spacing between the dash shift and spacing appear here, and the parites is at the end of the line. Now if you want vertical spacing, so for the vertical spacing, if you are using enter button, so in the printed form the spacing will be disappear, and here and the result will be the same. So you can use, so instead of this pressing enter, you can use a command that is // and enter, and you will see that spacing will be appear vertically. Now if you want this spacing to be fixed, so you can put here a command that is, let's suppose /v space. Like the h space, we can fix the vertical size also, so I can put 3 inches size. Here is the vertical spacing. If you need 3 inches, 2 inches, or whatever you want according to your document, so you can use this command /v space and the length of the space, and you can fix it. Now the last one, if you want something at the end of the page, so you can use the third command for the vertical spacing, that is /v_fill. Like h_fill, we can use v_fill also, so all the paragraph will be appear at the end of the page. Here is the result. I use a command after the desk shape, that is v_fill command, and you can see the result that all the paragraph appears at the end of the page. So remember three commands for the horizontal spacing, that is h space and h_fill, and the 2 commands for the vertical spacing, that is v space and v_fill. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.